We have another Hailey Bieber makeup hack, and this one has some mixed reviews about it, so let's give it a try. So basically what she does is she takes her Rhode Barrier Butter and she mixes it with a powder blush. A lot of people are just saying just use a cream blush, but I think that this purpose is if you don't have a cream blush and you have a powder and you have some sort of a moisturizer, you can combine the two and make it work. So I get where her head was at. Let's see if it works. I'm gonna use this Saie powder blush because it's really pigmented. You can see. I'm gonna pick it up with a brush. I'm tapping it on my hand. Barrier butter is thick, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of it. I'm gonna mix the two together. She goes in with her hand. Honestly, I don't love applying makeup with my hands, but I'm gonna do it exactly how she does. So far, it's looking really nice. It looks really glowy. It's blending on really nicely. I was a little worried that it was gonna pick up my makeup that's underneath, but it's not at all. This also would look really nice if I'm going for like a no makeup look, because by using the moisturizer, it definitely like shears it out and gives you a really natural finish. Okay, wow. That actually does look amazing. I thought it was gonna be a little gimmicky. These two together look really good. Let me know what you guys think of this hack. Would you try it?